Hi everyone, thanks for clicking on my video. If you are here to watch an amazing DIY project, guess what? You're in the right place. Now let's jump right into it. If you all were wondering where I purchased this wooden rainbow, I got it from Target a few years ago. I decided to use this wooden heart because it came along with the wooden letters that I will be using later in this video, and plus I really adore hearts. Next, I will be applying some dried flowers to these wooden letters. I must say, the dried flowers add a really nice touch to the wooden letters. Now I will be using some wood glue to glue down these wooden letters, and I think the letters turned out absolutely great. I can't complain. Next, I will be gluing some artificial flowers and some bees to the wooden rainbow, and it's just going to make it look even nicer. By the way, I glued the honey dipper off camera. I would like to share that I will be gifting this beautiful spring decor to my auntie. She is my favorite and I hope she loves it. And by the way, I will be inserting a picture of it on her front door. This is the finished look. I think this turned out absolutely fabulous. I'm so in love with it. I hope my auntie loves it. I had so much fun making this. And if you enjoyed watching the video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe and share if you like. Thanks so much for watching.